Welcome back on this Saturday. Thanks for watching. We are over at Famous Redden. The buggy actually did pretty decent today. No problems, but that was short-lived. Right now we are on Tilter Kilter. As you can tell how tilted everybody is getting. We're gonna run up Shot Blast, Dad's Trail, and see how the day goes. Shoveling. Yeah, you have to come uphill.
Okay.
Straight in the rear. Rear. This is Mike and his moon buggy. This thing is really cool because it's like a budget build and it works. This is Jason Lee Mundy's old rig, if you remember. He was in one of these videos. Can you front dig? Can you front only?
Huh?
Can you front only? No, come forward, come forward. You're in a tree. The end of Tilter Kilter and the beginning of Shot Blast. This is Shot Blast. Wonder if my pierogies are done. Dropping into Dad's trail. In. Is it running?
Rag joint on his columns, bro.
Yeah, but is it running?
It's running.
Yeah, tell him to put it in gear.
It's not gonna do anything.
Alright, tell him to put it in neutral and try to just Deadpool him. Yeah. Alright, so Jimmy should have dipped and he dived. Steering box, rag joint destroyed, ripped off the steering box, and I think his drive shaft is completely cooked. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So we are on Dad's trail, deep ass ditch, and he almost made it. One of the first people to make it without stickies. So, but we have to fix all this junk. Huge shout out to Mike Abate for these welders. If you're looking for a portable welder, this dude puts together a kit with that grinder, a portable spool gun welder. Thing works great. Here Jimmy literally yard sailed his Yoda. He almost made it out, but he definitely did some damage, ripped the steering box off the frame, broke a rag joint, broke a U-joint in the back. So I had to use the Warrior winch to get him up out of here. But thanks to Mike, once we got him up out of here, he drove all the way back to the parking lot under his own power. So that's pretty cool that everybody made it back on the trailer. And we appreciate you watching. Like I said before, sorry for the delay. These microchips in these SSDs are making SSDs super expensive because of all the AI data centers. If you haven't looked it up, you can look up on Amazon how much an SSD is. Finally found one that's affordable, so we're back to making movies for you guys. Every Saturday we post at 12. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please do us a favor. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Share it with a friend. I know you guys hear it all the time from other creators, but it really does help. Helps more than you know. We're trying to still grow this channel. So we'll catch you on the trail and hope you're wheeling somewhere cool this weekend.